When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write us to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. And that's just one happy experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with everyone. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to satisfaction. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with anyone, whether they are new or returning. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing service.